Somalia has recorded its first death from the global pandemic known as COVID-19. The nation currently has only 12 confirmed cases of the deadly coronavirus. While testing so far is said to be inefficient, an international travel ban should stop new cases from entering the country. The prospects for Somalia containing the virus internally are optimistic. But there are other side effects of the virus that could prove harder to survive. The normally bustling local economy could see a drop in revenue from virus prevention. Exports may see a downturn as well. There has been an immediate drop in cut consumption due to postponement of shipments, helping even up the trade deficit with Somali's neighbors. But Somali products headed for other destinations are starting to suffer the same fate. A major drop in remittances from overseas Somalis could have a tremendous impact. Experts estimate between $1.3 and $2 billion comes to Somalia every year. These mostly go to individual families and communities. But sometimes money is directed to fundraising campaigns to deal with natural disasters or health shocks. According to the London School of Economics, LSE, many overseas Somalis' jobs are disappearing temporarily. These include transportation, retail, domestic and office cleaning, and restaurant hospitality. Some areas of employment are safe. Public sector workers, including health workers and those in education, shouldn't be laid off. Public transport in cities like London, still running, is a source of employment for many Somali men. Minnesota, with a large Somali population, has a strong meat processing industry that remains active. Overall, the LSE is expecting to see a significant drop in remittances as the global economic effects of COVID-19 hit Somalis all over. The prestigious research institution has done some preliminary studies and has made the following recommendations for Somalia.
There is a need for continuous monitoring of conditions in both diaspora countries and in Somalia to see how the epidemiological and economic impacts of the pandemic influence diaspora or country of origin interactions. Operational aid agencies, both Somali and international, and donors should use this information to adapt their approaches. The influence of politics and conflict on the spread of COVID-19 needs to be monitored in real time to be able to adapt. Remittance sending channels need to be protected to enable people to send money to all parts of Somalia. All money transfer companies operating in Somalia should reduce their transaction fees to help maintain the flows. Aid flows to Somalia may need to increase to compensate for losses in remittance support. It is worth noting that humanitarian agencies rely on money transfer companies to deliver this much needed aid.
Turkey is a major donor and investor in Somalia. Their state-owned all-news TV station, TRT World, has also issued some recommendations to Somalia.
Strong public communication comes first. In this regard, information posters on the pandemic should be widely distributed in public places or markets, regular TV and radio programs should be broadcasted, and public transport should be disinfected. Religious figures, celebrities, and opinion leaders should regularly take to social media. The use of public money in all business and governmental transactions should be strictly encouraged. Defeating COVID-19 requires leveraging and unleashing the power of the community. The FGS is unable to deliver health services to all of its citizens, so it is best to empower communities to take action in community-based surveillance, monitoring, and care. The FGS should seek international emergency help from multilateral organizations like World Bank, IMF, and WHO, and developed countries, especially its development partners. Emergency assistance should comprise direct budgetary support, additional equipment, masks, ICU beds, ventilators, protective cloths, etc., and funds to help its health system as well as debt relief measures.
The LSE has recognized that lower remittance amounts will lead to a financial shortfall. Turkish television has suggested that Somalia look to international financial institutions. But some Somalis still think the diaspora will come to the rescue. ADN TV will continue to update you on COVID-19 in East Africa.